In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Canva presentation and get it over into Google Slides. So here's what you need to do. So first, find your presentation on Canva. Once you've found it, you then need to obviously download it. So go to share in the top right-hand corner. We're going to first download it. So go share, go download. And you want to make sure the file type here is on PPTX. That's going to be the Microsoft PowerPoint file type that Google Slides recognizes. So click on that, make sure all pages are select, and then click download. I've already downloaded this once, so it's going to download a second version for me. This should go to my downloads, so I'm just going to make sure it is, and then I'll be back. So here we have the file downloaded. Now it's in the downloads section. Now we need to open up Google Slides. Now to do that, you can just go ahead and Google Slides, and then it should be the first one. You can go ahead and click and sign in. Now it may take you to a new untitled presentation. Just go ahead and click on the icon and it will take you back to Google Slides. Here, once you're in Google Slides, you can go to the open file picker icon, which is on the right, and then it will give you some options to upload your file. You want to go to upload on the right here, then click browse, then find your PowerPoint presentation. The name will be what it was called in Canva, then click open. It will then upload your presentation to Google Slides, and here it is inside of Google Slides. Now some of the shapes might be off the page, but when you present it, it won't be an issue. And there you go. If you now go back to Google Slides, it will remember it and it will stay there. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.